Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And I want to welcome you here today because we're going to discuss business credit. That's right, Credit Strong has come out with some new products that we have to discuss, plus the fact we're going to talk about some other credit options. That's right. From Mr. Wilson Koo, he mentioned it on live streams. If you're missing our live streams, you don't want to miss them because this is going to be business and some more business along with personal maybe. We'll talk about it. You're going to have to stay tuned and welcome. Stop struggling now, gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And once again, I want to thank you so much for being here on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page. And as I always say, membership does have its privileges, but first, please share the videos. This can help one person's, 5 persons, 10 persons, 100. You just never know, maybe thousands. And what we have here in the SSN Nation is to help people, the No Guru Zone. And notice the join button over here on the right hand side. That's how you become a member of the channel. If you are with our live streams, you will notice certain members have an icon next to their name. That's because they joined to become a part of membership. And under the community tab, they receive special messages, 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for them. And on Wednesday night live streams, only members can be in the chat room. Of course, everybody can watch, but on Wednesday, only members with the icon can be in the chat room. And then on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, in any live stream, members of the channel can join me. So that's the part about being a member. And you have special emojis also. Now, let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen, because somebody actually asked me about business credit and how you can possibly get business credit and you have bad personal credit, because they're separate, ladies and gentlemen. You have an EIN number for businesses. You have a social security number for individuals. So keep that in mind first, and you can start off small. But first things first, you need to get your LLC or your C corporation. You need a corporation, an entity set up with an EIN number. You could even have sole proprietorship EIN number, by the way. You can receive lines of credit. And I'll show you, there's one company that I can show you that you can get a line of credit. But first things first. A lot of you work out of your home. And in this day and age, security is mandatory. So therefore, I always have talked about a virtual office. And I've always talked about Opus virtual office. The reason why? They have virtual offices all over the United States. As you can see on the screen, 650 locations across the USA. And their offices are in commercial locations. So that's number 1 requirement for a business. Number 2 requirement that's usually pretty decent. Live receptionist answers your phone. Number 2. Number 3 is you have your own business phone number. That's right. Business phone number and business fax number is included in the monthly fee. How about that? And did I mention that if they answer the phone as a live receptionist calling it XYZ company, then they say, I want to speak with Eric. Okay, hold on, let me transfer you. They can transfer the call directly to whatever number you designate, and it could be where you're at. You pick up the phone and answer. Business, ladies and gentlemen, that's one way to do it. Now, let's just say you don't answer and it transfers. It goes to a voicemail system that's set up for you. So once again, a little more professional. So after you have all that covered, how about even the $99 per month gives you business credit? It helps with your business credit You can use that, ladies and gentlemen. That's a wonderful thing, don't you think? So anyhow, down below in the description, below the video, there will be a link to sign up for Opus Virtual Office, so please use it. There's a code where you do not have to pay the administration fee. It's YG as in George 1 for everybody on the podcast. YG as in George 1, that is the promo code. The number 1, YG, the number 1, is the promo code, and they'll waive the admin fee. So that's how you sign up. All right, now let's move into something people have heard about, and it is credit strong business. And I'm hearing the questions, but let me go back a page and I'll show you now they have implemented. Most people have heard about the $10,000 plan, but how about the $5,000 plan? Now, again, we're talking about business credit or help with your business credit. This here is more like a business credit trade line. It's not really that you're going to get a loan for $5,000 in your possession. They are going to report it as a $5,000 loan on paper is what I call it. You're going to make the monthly payments, and once you get up to $5,000, they release that money, and all the while they're reporting it to your business credit profile. $5,000 is one option, and that is $200 a month. You see the one-time fee of $549. 25 months is 2 years. 0% interest. You kind of like those. I like 0%. It's better than 8.96. That's all I'm saying. So that is the first requirement that you would have to do on the $5,000, and then the $10,000 is going to be double what you originally saw, $400 a month, $440 a month. Now I'm going to tell you this. You cannot miss a payment. They take this very seriously. They will report it as late to your business credit if you are not able to keep up with this. All right? Now, you cannot withdraw any money. It's not like, even though you're putting the money in, $200 a month, at the end of the 25 months, that $5,000 is going to be there. You have the benefit of them showing that you are paying on time. All right? With your business account. So that gives you a trade line. You could have a second trade line with the Opus Virtual Office. Every business, it's a tax write-off, by the way, the $99 per month. All right. Now, I'm going to find out about, let's see here. No, we do not perform a hard credit inquiry on you or your company. So everybody qualifies to get this trade line. What is required to start? You have to be in business 3 months, have a registered EIN number issued by the IRS, which is weird they'd put that, LLC, partnership, or corporation, and you must be located in the United States. You getting this, ladies and gentlemen? Your business, physical U.S. address, place of business must be located in the United States, and you must own more than 25% of the business. Have no co-owners that individually own more than 25%. Must be at least 18 years old. Have the physical. Have a valid social security number. They do not run a credit check again. Credit strong business builders not available in Florida, unfortunately. All right. So that's all there is to it. No hard inquiries. None of that. Here's the credit bureau so everybody can see you have Equifax and PayNet. They're going to try to get Experian SBFE in the near future. I believe SBFE's already been included. And in fact, I know they have. Equifax, PayNet, and SBFE business credit is being reported. All right. Now, if you want to cancel or close out, that is pretty major. No, there is no fee for canceling or closing the account early. All right. But to close your account, you will need to pay any outstanding interest and loan balance using your linked payment method. And here's the thing. Please note, payments more than 30 days late will be reported as late to credit bureaus. So this is not for clowning around. This is for helping you build up and establish your credit, your business credit. All right. The link is down below in the description if you would like to go and check out this credit business builder. All right. Now, what else can you do to get your credit going for your business? Well, it's pretty easy. You come over and sign up with NAV. The link is down below. It's a referral link. Once again, you sign up down below. It'll take you to NAV. You sign your business up, and it works similar to the personal credit side, where there's companies that will look for credit for you. That's what NAV does, except it's for business. So you simply plug in your information for your business, and then you will receive emails or notifications if there's a match that comes up where your company may qualify for a line of credit or a business credit card or business line of credit or a business loan. So you have several options, but down below it can be done for free. All right? So here's the other part. You can pay like $39.99 a month or $49.99 a month, and they will report that to the business credit bureaus. So again, you have another way to actually help build your business credit, not based on net 30s solely with all of these. Opus Virtual Office, not a net 30. Credit Strong, not a net 30. And NAV, if you sign up with them, not a net 30. That could be 3 accounts. And yes, that would cost you some money. But that's how you build your business credit. But wait, we have more, ladies and gentlemen, because remember that sole proprietor? Remember there's a lot of you out there that just signed up as a sole proprietor with an EIN number from the IRS? Well, remember this. There's a company called Divi. They actually have free software to help you with your expenses. It's expense software. Because you have a certain amount of money running through your account, they will give you a line of credit. Your line of credit goes up when you pay it back quicker or when your revenue coming in rises. So again, there's another way that you can build your business credit that is non-qualifying for all intensive purposes here, because it's going to be based on the revenue coming in. The other part, no fees, flexible rewards. They give you a Visa card. That's not necessarily a line of credit. It's more like a debit card until you build up your line of credit. Employee cards, enforceable budgets, there's more. All right. That is very simple expense software. This will work for your accountant. They will love you for it if you have this, because now whenever you're out, you use your card for your business. That is a business deduction. If it's an expense, that's how it works, ladies and gentlemen. And again, you can get a line of credit, whether you're a sole proprietor, whether you're an LLC, a partnership, C corporation, it does not matter. All of you can use Divi. All right. But the game changer is sole proprietorship with an EIN number normally cannot get lines of credit, but Divi makes it possible. And again, it's based on your revenue coming in. And yes, it does have to be kind of high, 9,000, 8,000 a month. Then you will start getting an offer and you'll see a credit line in your account. It's that simple. Now, some of you may be saying, all right, Eric, you've talked about some of this before, and I have, but I haven't talked about business credit, I don't believe, all year. Maybe one video. So this may be only the second. But again, now we're going into Capital on Tap. Another one for small businesses, credit card. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing because credit limits up to 50,000. Apply in 2 minutes. Applying won't affect your credit score. Does that sound nice? And this is for your business. Capital on Tap. I'll have a link down below. Everybody on podcast, Capital on Tap is just how I'm telling you. Capital with an A, capital, ontap.com/US, because it's also in the UK and in some Spanish speaking countries. You can apply for Capital on Tap. UK, USA, Spanish-speaking countries, which I don't know which ones they are. But you can apply and may get a $2,000 credit card, a $5,000 or a $10,000. It all depends. no annual fee, great rates, unlimited. Okay, apply in 2 minutes, get a response within 48 hours, cards arrive within 4 days of approval, capital on tap. Once again, your company's out there. They don't really have, as I recall, anything that says, you need to make X amount of dollars, but that helps because they have to figure out how you're going to pay them back. Doesn't that make sense? You can't just expect to get credit and not have any revenue coming in for your business or profits coming in. So let's get real. Now, there's nothing new to add here. They'll give you unlimited cards. Again, have at least $2,500 per month in revenue. That's what you need to have, ladies and gentlemen. And your business has to been running for more than 6 months. That's it. And again, this one, as you can see, no sole proprietorships, no trust or funds, charities or nonprofits. Sorry, you can't qualify either. This has to be straight up LLC, partnership LLC, and C Corp, but it has to be LLC, then an S Corp for filings, but still, it has to be in that vein, and you hear the numbers and see the numbers. $2,500 per month in revenue, 6 months running in business. Then you're going to qualify, ladies and gentlemen. They already set it up for you. Then, of course, I'll go to net 30. Why not? You want office, t-shirts, electronics, some mobile accessories, some posters on the wall, whatever you're doing to set up your business, you can order and get a net 30 from Crown Office Supplies, and they also report for a net 30 to help build your business credit. Now, that's pretty much it. And once again, I have the link down below in the description for the Crown Office Supplies. That's it. There's other net 30s as well. I might have some more down below. In fact, I will add some more down below. So in the description, you'll see some more net 30s. But again, you'd want one of the first ones before I got to the net 30, which you may qualify for, because a lot of you may have an LLC. You might have been in business already for more than 6 months, and you might be making more than $2,500 for the capital on tap. NAV, if you already have that going, NAV, you put in your EIN number and business with NAV, and then all of a sudden you start getting sent offers and you don't have to go looking for it. Make it easy on yourself, ladies and gentlemen. And if you're working out of your home, please, I highly suggest you go get an Opus virtual office. The link is down below. Look for the promo code YG1 so you don't have to pay the admin fee. But again, be safe, because you want your address to be in a business location, a commercial location. And it helps out because they also report to help your business credit. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. I know it's hard out here, and that's why we go with no barriers to entry. That's what we try to get under your belt, because a lot of people think you have to jump through all these hoops when in fact all you had to do was start, and all you had to do was start doing your business and making some revenue come in the door. And you too can get lines of credit and credit cards to help your business. You can also get net 30s to help your business. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions, you can always make comments down below, or you can send me an email at support@stopstrugglingnow.com. I'll answer them. This is the No Guru Zone. We don't have courses, ladies and gentlemen, but I do have videos. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.